Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is my analysis for gold. So we're on the 1 hour time frame here. And yesterday I was saying how it probably was going to go up and take out these highs, but man, it just keeps on making lower highs. It was never any proof of a big move up because it never broke any structure. Ever since this high right here, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So even though we potentially had our analysis having us go up and take out these highs, before it actually went down, if we were paying attention to structure as normal, paying attention to structure is what keeps you trading in the right direction. Because potentially we really shouldn't have been looking for logs in any big way unless we had to break a structure. It never broke structure, but instead it kept making lower lows, lower highs. So if you are trading on the sort of time frames like the 1 hour and below, I would definitely still be recommending shorts unless we get a break of this lower high series. So even if it does start to move up, which it probably will, if it breaks the structure, then definitely turn back into a buyer. If it makes another lower high, then definitely continue to look for shorts at the end of all these pullbacks. I mean, I am definitely bearish, like I've been saying. I think we're going down for wave Y, maybe even all the way down to about the $3,000 area. So definitely bearish. If it does break up, then more than likely to break up will just be a correction to the last wave down, but more than likely it would be a much bigger correction. But as long as it keeps on making lower lows, lower highs, there's no reason to go long, and you would just continue to go short at the end of all pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.